if we want to remove this headlight on the left side, we have to remove this part, and we can do it by pushing here, and we are pushing here, and then we can take the part away, and then we have a little bit of space to work here. Also this part you have to click to the left, then we can take this part away. And then we have a little bit of place here to put with our hand to remove the lamp. So here is the lamp. We can replace it by a new one, and then we have replaced them at both sides, because you see they are both at the same age, and this one is also worn, and it won't last for a long time. So we have replaced the old lamp with a new one. So this one is the new one, and we can put it back in now. Do not touch the glass with your fingers, because the grease or the oil on your fingers will destroy the lamp, or will give it a much smaller lifetime. You see, also you have to put this part at the upper side, this piece. So the new lamp is back in. Now mounting back this piece, first we have to slide this part underneath, close it, and then do the iron piece over it. Underneath it. So that's closed, that's fine. Now this part, first one we have to slide this and this underneath those two sides, and then click it back on. So push it up, back in. Replaced the both headlights H7 from Osram on the Opel Corsa D. Thanks for watching, guys.